Hey guys, this is Delilah's dad, and today we're unboxing the iPhone XR. Okay, let's get on with it. Take the box and open it. And here we have the phone. We have it in blue. That's pretty. And there you go. iPhone, you just swipe up, and there's no button here anymore, so that's good. And here we have our apps, which transferred from our other phone. And let's see. Let's look at this. Let's see if we can send an emoji. And hold on. I don't know how to send emojis, but anyways, that's it. And some little stickers here that we can use, and a little thing to open the SIM card box, and then just some little pamphlets. And in the box we got our charging dock, our earphones, which have the new aux, whatever thingy, and then of course we have our standard charger. But anyways, that's it. It's gonna be it for the iPhone XR Blue.
Okay.
Anyways, this is Delilah's dad from Delilah's World is here. See you on the next one. Peace.